Well, hello everyone once again, and welcome back to yet another $1,000 giveaway. Today here we brought the AFI sales team out to the local bowling alley. Now our challenge today is going to be pretty simple. We're going to have all of our contestants here playing a regular game of bowling, 10 frames, and whoever has the best score at the end of their 10 frames wins, and the person that they represent will win $1,000 worth of fragrance from the AFI store. Let the games begin, shall we? And with that, it looks like we have a winner for this month's giveaway. Today, Drew has become victorious here. How do you feel, Drew?
I feel great. Feel a little sore. Definitely going to be sore tomorrow.
For sure.
You know, I'm just happy I come out here and do my part for Alicia M, who's our winner. So, you know, till the next challenge, I'm just going to be resting up.
Awesome, wonderful. Well, that means that Alicia M is our winner for this month's $1,000 giveaway. Congratulations, Alicia, and we hope you enjoyed the fragrances. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and be prepared because we've got even more awesome $1,000 giveaways coming up real soon just for you guys. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.